Hi, you're much welcome to your favorite cryptos for you. Today's topic is Injective. Kaspa. BitTensor may grow more than 4,000% by mid-2025. Abstract. Blockchains, aka Layer 1 protocols, power decentralized applications that can attract the masses. Successful blockchains have been known to provide great return on investments for early adopters. With the current market conditions and upcoming crypto ETF approval, I'm expecting a few different Layer 1 protocols to vastly outperform more established ones. I would argue that protocols that have yet to experience a bull run, and those who only had one cycle so far and benefit from a strong niche while being SEC compliant may very well significantly outperform their counterparts. I personally have my eyes on Injective, Kaspa, and BitTensor has very strong 4,000% plus potential. Although it is not financial advice, if my prediction comes true, this would imply that a $25,000 investment would lead to becoming a freshly new millionaire. Introduction. Return on investments in decentralized applications, dApps, can be significantly magnified if the Layer 1 protocol they're built upon is also growing significantly. In the previous bull run, we have seen trending protocols that have since then collapsed and have been forgotten. The market is littered with their corpses, which more often than not lead to their dApps to suffer an even worse fate. So, in this blog post, we will compare some of the most interesting protocols in terms of market potential. Layer 1 comparison. Even though Bitcoin does not have smart contract capabilities on the main chain, we can still use some of the market cap metrics as a baseline for our study. Layer 1 comparisons. There are several bits of information I can observe from the table above. 1. The biggest chains tend to suffer less than the small chains in bear markets. 2. Chains that have not been in a bull market yet do not have the baggage of older chains and are free to experience their full potential. Chains that have been in multiple bull and bear market cycles sometimes have accumulated momentum and large market capitalization. 2025 bull market prediction. Assuming the total capital flow in the market will be greater this bull cycle than previous bull cycle, then what can we expect in terms of potential growth for some of the chains above? I will assume that successful chains with at least one cycle could grow to $200B, while chains that are on their first cycle into a $100B fully diluted market cap. I would argue that this is possible as long as the projects are SEC compliant to be traded on US exchanges without difficulties. Assuming that both Bitcoin and Ethereum will reach an all-time high again given their ETF status, enabling them to attract pension plan funds and other large institutional investors' capital. Let's assume Bitcoin may grow about $250K, which would imbue a fully diluted market cap of $5 share 0.2 Tesla, 6x, by mid-2025. Over the years, Ethereum has gained market share over Bitcoin. So let's assume that Ethereum will grow 8x this time around to $18K and a fully diluted market cap of $2 share 0.2 Tesla. Then, let's assume that some of the successful chains with one cycle and with a strong niche will grow to an amount greater than the large cap chains of last cycle, for example $200B. Then Injective and Toncoin would grow 50x and 13x respectively. Discussion of Injective on YouTube. Meanwhile, projects that are in their first bull market could possibly reach the $100B range, which would leave KAS, Kaspa, and DAO, BitTensor, growth 40x and 53x respectively. Summary. Given the institutional investors moving into the crypto world for the first time, I expect the crypto market to grow significantly by mid-2025. While I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin reached $250K, 6x, and Ethereum $18K, 8x. I'm even more excited about a few projects that will experience their first and second bull cycle for returns greater than 40x. This would imply that a $25,000 investment in these projects could potentially lead to someone becoming a millionaire within a year and a half. I believe that Injective, Kaspa, and BitTensor are all very strong contenders for massive growth this cycle given their specific narrative. Please subscribe to my blog, as I plan on reviewing specific decentralized applications on these three protocols that could experience ever greater returns than their Layer 1 counterparts. Meanwhile, more risk-tolerant investors could use leverage to increase their return. which means even an investment of $2,500 could be enough to become a millionaire. Nothing in this video is intended to constitute investment advice. We take no responsibility or liability for any investments, profits or losses you may incur as a result of this information. Readers are encouraged to perform their own due diligence and research, or consult a licensed financial advisor or broker before making any and all investment decisions. This content is intended for general informational and educational purposes only. Though the author strives for accuracy, the data contained within the article cannot be relied upon. The author may own cryptocurrencies and tokens discussed in the article. The article may contain affiliate links. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your support and feedback. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Until next time, be safe and keep smiling.